Hello, everybody. Such an honor to be all together today. And so as we were talking with Matthew, it's like what emanates from the voice of nature is really of interest in the dream arc, but also it is a way to really connect with our intuition on a daily basis. So opening up to the messages can be also to open up to possibilities that, every stone, every bird might have a special message for us. I was looking on my altar and there are those very, very different stones, right? This is a labradorite and it's all shimmering and it's kind of sophisticated in a way. But, when I first connected with the labradorite, immediately I thought about the butterfly and the blue morpho because of the wings. And then there is the rose, the sand rose. So it's very raw and it's actually, kind of pokey in areas. So those different sensations already can bring a different tone in the voice. So if I were to connect with the labradorite, I could ask the question of like, how would I express the shimmering, the shimmering in the stone? And that may sound, if I listen for a moment, should I? It's kind of like an endless wave of shimmering that I may want to follow in that improvisation. And then if I connect with the sand rose, I may ask for the essence of the core of the rose or the edges. And so with the question, I may want to receive the voice of it. What is your voice? Cha cha cha, ingai, da da da, ha 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 ha. Ha ha, unaya ta ta ta, isha, la la la, ho ho ho. So I feel more of the staccato. Maybe it's each pedal that are expressing themselves in the voice. So how to kind of commune with this idea that everything has a voice, and how to connect with our true nature voice by connecting with nature. So in a way, this applies to our friends in the dream arc. I may just want to close my eyes and, pick one creature, whoever it is that comes up. And say, okay, give me your voice. Let's have a little conversation here. The turtle. Okay. I may connect with the slowness of the turtle. Something like that. So I encourage you this week to really connect to the rhythm also of the sounds in your voice. And you may connect with, your own heart and the heart of nature. We had done a little improvisation in nature with my friend Shay, who is also a contributor in the Dream Arc. And I would love for Yasko to show us the video. And so we were asking, like, what are the hidden messages, like Dr. Emoto, you know, the hidden messages in water. So what are the hidden messages in the song of the land, the song of the waters of the land, the song of the winds that are carrying through the water? And so we tuned into the message in this particular river in Santa Fe. And it's very short, but it felt very fulfilling in terms of tuning into the heart of who we are and how we communicate with our messengers. I remember this moment like so deeply, and the laughter that came afterwards from this experiment, and the trusting, right? The trusting that there is a messenger within also that is communicating with the messengers without. And so that's where, you know, the dream arc creatures are incredible. And I must share that I ended up picking up the oyster, who I had actually created a little soundtrack for. And I was like, oh, here you are again. And it's connected with the water and the gift from within. So it's not always apparent. So I really encourage you to take a moment, you know, a moment of just closing your eyes and believing, trusting, connecting with the messengers, and see if they have a voice to share with you, and what is your pure voice connecting with them.